Hi my friends in canoeing and other sports. Greetings from Hungary, from the river Danube, 30 kilometers from Budapest. My name is András, in English Andrew, and now, despite of the cold weather, I would like to make a canoeing training, but before, during the warming up, I will tell you a very interesting story, so you want to get bored. It happened 1973. I was 17 years old. We were here, right here. You can see on the left side this small yellow houses. We were right here in a training camp, preparing to the Hungarian championships, the Hungarian youth championships. It took 1 month, and the last day of the trainings, our trainer, Uncle Laci, suddenly said, "Today we are going dancing, today night." He met some girls in the city and they invited him to a home party. Some other guys came with us. They were older than me. I was the youngest in this company. The nice young girls met us, very friendly, and the party started. Suddenly, a very nice woman appeared. She was older than the other girls, 22 years old. Her name was Eva. Our coach or trainer wanted to make with her a closer relationship. It was obviously, but for any reasons whatsoever, she said to me, and we started to speak, to talk with each another. A half hours later, she took my hand and invited me dancing. Before, I was 3 times in a dance school, but I couldn't dance too good. If John Travolta had seen me dancing, he would be very, very angry. But I have had a self-confidence. 3 times in a dance school. That means I can dance. So I was not afraid at all to go to dance with this beautiful woman. She was 5 years older than me. So we were talking, dancing, and suddenly she took my hand and said, "Let's go to another place." We went to the yard. There was a small wooden building. We went to this building. There was a bed. It was dark. It's not too hard to imagine what has happened there. I can tell you it was not bad. The next day I was so happy. I was in a so good form that when we were paddling back to Budapest, nobody could catch up with me. So the championship was over. A week went by. I was in the dressing room after the training, and somebody told, "A nice woman is waiting for András." But there was other András, much older than me, in the dressing room. So he went out first, but came back and said, "András, your aunt is waiting for you." Because I was very young in comparison with Eva, and it was Eva. She came to Budapest to meet me. I quickly borrowed 100 forints from my coach. That time it was a huge money. We went with Eva walking around Budapest, sitting in cafe, and were standing on the street, kissing each other, and an old woman came to us and told me, "Hi, why are you kissing your mother?" Can you imagine it? Then we agreed to meet on the weekend. And on that day, I was sleeping after the dinner, but before I asked my parents to wake up me on time, but they forgot to do it, so I couldn't meet Eva. After that, I never seen Eva, but up to nowadays I remember she with a smile on my face, in my soul. No, now when I'm telling this story, I am a little bit happier. So, my guys, please tell me in comments, how do you like this story? Subscribe to my channel, give me likes. I wish you all the best, but I don't say goodbye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.